this is Aniyaan.
And today we are going to be making bhindi fry. So to make bhindi fry, we are going to be needing a cleaned bhindi. We call it okra. And we're also going to be needing onion.
We will also be needing 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of panch foram, salt to taste, as much as you want, and oil.
So first of all, we have to wash and cut the bhindi into 1.5 centimeter pieces. I've done some already, so I'm going to continue doing the rest.
We will also be dicing our onions into small pieces.
So now we have 1 pound of bhindi already chopped.
And we have 1/2 pound of chopped onions.
So we have all the ingredients ready, so let's start frying.
So first we're going to need to put the frying pan on the stove and turn the heat to high.
Next, we're going to take the oil and put 2 tablespoons of oil onto the pan. Next, we're going to take the panch foram and we are going to put all of the panch foram onto the frying pan as well. And we're going to take the spatula and we're going to stir it around until it pops.
Now the panch foram has started to pop, so we are going to put the onions in now. Now that the onions are in the pan, we just need to keep frying them until they're golden brown.
So now that the onions are golden brown, we are going to start putting in the bhindi. So now that we put the bhindis in the frying pan, we turn the stove to medium, and we're going to be stirring this for 2 to 3 minutes.
I put the stove to low flame and now I'm going to be covering it. It's time to put the salt in.
Put in the salt, it's time to put in our 3 masalas. So now we're going to cover it and put it on low flame for 2 more minutes.
The bhindi looks all ready, and you can serve this with roti or rice.
Please like and subscribe for more content.
And hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload a video.
Thank you for watching!